Move it. Oh my God. They gonna fight? I agree.
When he runs into him, he's like a wall.
Yeah, he is. He's like a wall.
A wall that can really keep and lava really can make noise.
I don't know. He's pretty fast. He can run away from you.
Before this Christmas, I had never seen a walking remote control either.
Right? Oh my gosh. Hey, Tommy, do your steam. Oh, it's running low.
Okay, this is forward right here, and this is backwards. I'm going to press this one first. Now, this is supposed to go back, but it goes forward.
Okay.
So it doesn't work, and sometimes the demo on it doesn't work, and I'll show you that next.